All right, so we're multiplying 6 times 853 thousandths. Let's start by writing these in unit form. 853 thousandths times 6 ones There we go. So let's start by multiplying these digits or these numbers just like we would if these were whole numbers. 6 times 3 is 18. We're going to write the 8 here. Carry the 1 to the tenths place. 6 times 3 is 30 plus the 1 is 31. Put the 1 down here. Carry the 3. Now 6 times 8 is 48 plus 3 is 51. So I'm going to write my 51 here. And now I need to know the unit, the place value I'm in. So thousandths, which is 0.001 times the ones place, which you can represent with just a 1. 1,000th times 1 is 1,000th. So I'm going to write thousandths here. So this is my answer, 5,118 thousandths, but this is written in unit form. Let's write this in standard form with just numbers. I can see my last digit here is going to be in the thousandths place. So the 8's in the thousandths place, which means my 1 is in the hundredths place. My other one is in the tenths place. My decimal always goes to the left of the tenths place. And now the 5 is in the ones place. So my answer is 5 and 118 thousandths. Now let's use the area model. So let's see, we're going to write 853 thousandths in expanded form. 8 tenths plus 5 hundredths plus 3 thousandths. I'm going to draw my rectangle. Wherever there's an addition sign, I'm going to break it up. I'm combining the area of each of these squares and to make one big rectangle. And now I'm multiplying this by 6 ones. All right, let's find the area of just this square. 8 times 6 is 48. Tenths times ones is tenths. Next square, 5 times 6 is 30. Hundredths times ones is hundredths. Lastly, 3 times 6 is 18. Thousandths times ones is thousandths. So now I'm going to add these together, but I'm going to rewrite these in standard form. So we have 48 tenths. So that means the 8 is going to be in the tenths place. Put the decimal to the left of the tenths place. And we have 4 ones left over. Add 30 hundredths. Ooh, that means the 0 is in the hundredths place. The 3 is in the tenths place. And I have my decimal here. I can also add a 0 in front just to have our place value hold. Now we're going to add 18 thousandths. The 8 is in the thousandths place, which means this 1 is going to be in the hundredths. We have 0 tenths and our decimal. I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place just to hold our place value. So this is a lot to add. I'm going to add this vertically or up and down. 4 and 8 tenths plus 0 and 30 hundredths plus 0 and 18 thousandths. Notice I lined up my place values. So I'm adding all the tenths together. I'm adding all the ones together. I'm going to put a 0 in the hundredths and thousandths place in my first and second number. So all my digits are completely filled. All my place values are completely filled, I'm sorry. 0 plus 8 thousandths is 8 thousandths. 0 plus 0 plus 100 is 100. 8 plus 3 tenths is 11 tenths. So I'm going to put my 1 down here, carry the other 1 to the side. I'm sorry, the 1 get 11 tenths. So we keep the 1 here and carry the 1 over. 4 plus 1 is 5. Oh, look, we got the same answer. So land and 6 books weigh 5 and 118 thousandths grams.